Love it. Like I said, I love using tools in my business that pay me for using them. And this seems to be one. Welcome back to the Flexible Income Club. And this is going to be part 2 of creating our blogs. In part 1 of creating our blog, this video is also part of the bigger series, the Pins to Paychecks. So this is just part 2 of the blog section of Pins to Paychecks. In part 1, what we did is we created our website using a totally new platform that I've never used before called the Wealthy Affiliate. And actually, within minutes, it created our website for us. It found us a niche. Well, I knew what niche I wanted in, and then it narrowed down for us what niche is profitable, what niche has a lot of affiliate products available, and it made us a website with a free domain name, and this is all on the free plan. Now, in today's video, I'm actually going to write the first blog post. So let's see how that goes. We need an image, we need a topic, add content details, estimated AI credits to create this content. One image is 250 each. I have how many credits? I have 2,000 credits. So in total for this, we'll use 1,478. Pick an AI author. Should we just do this all AI wise? Enter a keyword, title, or topic for this article. What am I going to get from that? It says here, tip for creating great content. Make your content expert, authoritative, and trustworthy. This means providing accurate, well-researched information that is written in clear, concise way. Be useful. Your content should provide readers with something new or valuable, and it should be relevant to their interests. Be original, be timely, be comprehensive. I am quickly going to ask the help of ChatGPT. And then I want to write about Kangen water. This is what I want to promote on this website. So I'm going to go to Enagic EU website, and I'm going to copy all this. And I'm going to put it into ChatGPT. So I'm going to select all. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT. And I'm going to write at the top, or at the bottom then. I want to write a blog article about Kangen water. What do I need? It said here, I need an article topic, which I chose natural alternative. I need to choose a content length. I'll just leave it on the default. And content details. Let's go back through there. I'm going to say what are the keywords. I'm going to now take this and I'm going to copy it into the website. Details. I'm going to do this one for the topic. What happens if I do this? Let's see what happens. I'm learning. I don't know. Let's see what happens. A professional copywriter trained on the latest AI models, delivering the highest quality content available. The author uses a clear, no-nonsense, first-person style, practical, precise focus. So I have to choose now an AI avatar to write this for me. Or do I want a conversational blogger, a conversational, approachable blogger powered by to deliver best content, warm, engaging tone, first-person narratives, blends expert insight with relatable language. I'm going to try the conversational. Create article. Let's see what happens. This is going to be interesting. It's already taken off my credits. I see that. It's already taken my credits off. Let me have a sip of my Kangen water while I'm waiting. Now, I spoke about the fact that I'm going to promote Kangen water and healing, which are 2 affiliate products that I already have. But there are multiple other affiliate products that you can promote. And this website, they actually connect you with the affiliate marketplaces as well, which is very interesting because I have already used ClickBank for an affiliate marketplace, and I'm very interested to see how and what and which marketplaces are going to be recommended here on the Wealthy Affiliate. So let's see. This is interesting. Oh, I see I get limited time special offer, 50% off when you upgrade your membership today. Cool. So this is still all on the free plan. I'm really curious to see what's going to happen on this. It's ready. Let's see it. Not a Kangen machine there. Very interesting. So I'm now going to take some time and read through all of this information to see if it's actually really good and accurate. But I'm super impressed because this takes a fraction of the time than what it would normally take to create a blog. All right, especially comparing how much time I've spent on the System.io blog. Now we just need to see what it's actually going to look like when I publish this. So I'm going to switch out this image here because it would be nice to have a Kangen water image here. So do I have some images from the Kangen water? Let's see. I would like to use one of these from the products. I'll just save this image. I'm obviously going to have to I have Kangen water images, probably better images perhaps that I could use. For the sake of this video, I'm going to see if this works. If I try to change out that image now, just as an example, link to this URL. Oh, no, I don't. So I'm going to actually just take that machine out of the image and use only that. Save. Let's go for it. Let's press publish. Choose a website. Publication settings. Oh, so I must choose my website, which is listed right down here. Do I want it to be a post or do I want it to be a page? Yes, I want it to be a post. I'll publish it as admin. This is the link. Publish. Awesome. Your post has been published. To enable site comments for your website, you need to go premium. Here it says view post. All right. Very basic, but it's there. All right. So I have this. I just have to see, why do I have that as my part of my website as well? Welcome to your starter website. Your journey begins here. Anyways, I saw here I can edit it in WordPress. So let's see how complicated this gets. So it's logging me in automatically into WordPress. Welcome to the editor. Thank you. Customize each block. So let's go back here. Go to content dashboard. All right. So I've used up 522 credits. I've made my first post. There's more templates here. These are post templates. So I just want to see, actually, how do we put on the blog more? I guess we have to do that in the WordPress piece. So pages, let's see pages. So here in the WordPress, you would add more pages. Now, next thing, I want to actually see if this website is now actually live, because that was something I also found really difficult with System.io, was to actually see the website live. So what is this? It says Google. What is that? G there. So this website is technically live. No. So I've just gone over here from the Wealthy Affiliate. If you go over to, no, sorry, that was not it. My profile. So what you also have to do in the Wealthy Affiliate here is set up a profile, which I've already done. I've got some messages from people. As you can see, they all want to interact because you earn. So I've got my businesses here. What is this? Website details. I think that's where I want to go. All right, so that is my site details. Back to Site Manager then. It's official. You're on the... There we go. That is what I wanted to see. If my site was actually published. So now I am actually published. New accomplishment badge. View my profile. Share with the community. So I've got my account created. I've started training. I've got my website launched. By the way, so this would be your affiliate link to share this. So I will share my affiliate link, this link, in the comments for anybody who wants to join. Here's other people's blogs. All right. Now, my businesses. Let's go there. My hubs. This is it. View hub. This is where I want to be. Log into my back office. Right. This is what I wanted to get to. So did you see how I got to that? I went to my business. Here, my businesses. I got to my business hubs. This is my website. I went to View Hub. And then I went log into back office. All right. So you can add content with AI and view your website. One post. Affiliate programs. So this is the next part I want to show you. And look, it's already got now affiliate programs that are relevant to my website listed here. Oh my. Look at this. This is just amazing. So I can be affiliate for Gaia Herbs. I use them a lot. All of these. And this is how I get the affiliate links right there. Holistic health books. Let's see what they have for that. So then whatever niche you would have chosen, that's what they're going to bring up here that would be relevant to your niche. So if you would have chosen the make money online niche, or the how to train your dog niche, weight loss, perimenopause, menopause, anything. They will bring you up the things that are relevant for your niche. So here's some, look at this, Mind Valley, the Herbal Academy. So these are health books that I can have affiliate links for. Oh, the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. I always see that advertised on Facebook. So I could even get an affiliate link for that and advertise it. And then it says aromatherapy oil. Interesting. What's it going to bring up there? Oh, yeah. doTERRA, Young Living. It gives you all the things there. Pretty cool. And then these are apparently the affiliate links that you have to, you only get to unlock once you've upgraded, which is very interesting. I love this. Oh, and even Amazon Associates here for you. Now, let's see content reach, what it says about the website there. Part 2. What do you think of this platform? I think it's pretty amazing. This, I'll tell you now, it's much easier to use than the System.io. Content ideas. Oh, look at this. It's even brought up content ideas for me. Herbal remedies, how to use echinacea. Oh, I love this. If you're somebody who's into health things like I am, how amazing is this? Now, what does it have here under writing tasks? I see it has, oh, look here. It's got the about me already waiting for me to finish that. Let's click on it. What does it see? What does it say? Write article. So it has this as a task set up for me. So then I can write the article about myself. Amazing. People, I am so impressed with this website. I'm so glad I went on this hunch and decided to try this out. Because this is really such a great website. Compared to System.io, that has been so easy to publish that article. On System.io, it took me literally getting the article up on System.io was no problem, but getting their template to work with my own links, that took me incredibly long. It took me incredibly long to link everything up, and this seems so much more user-friendly. And I love that they have, the affiliate offers already right there for you, and even article ideas and everything. And then of course the embedded AI to help you write articles. This is really, truly, I love it. And then bonus all on top of it, if you upgrade to the $99 a month, but you get 50% off discount, so then it'll be $49 a month. If you get other referrals, you get commission. So eventually you could get that for free as well. If you have enough referrals using your link who have signed up to use the Wealthy Affiliate Funnel as well, yours would be for free. And it could even be an income generating tool for you. I just love it. Like I said, I love using tools in my business that pay me for using them. And this seems to be one of them. The Wealthy Affiliate seems to be one of those tools. Instead of just using, for instance, System.io. I know System.io, I think they also have a referral program. But I was using the free one. And so far I'm using the free one on Wealthy Affiliate too. But what I'm saying is if I would upgrade to the paid one, I would actually make money from it as well. Just for using it for something I need to use anyway for my business. I love it. I love this so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. This was, stop hitting the mic, Liesel. This was the part 2 of creating your blog in the Pins to Paychecks video series. So if you want to see more of that video series, click it up here. This is the playlist for the Pins to Paychecks. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you've enjoyed this and learned something from this. Have a fabulous day, everybody, and see you in the next video.